Subcase sent us their S25 Edge phone case so we can show you the features, let you know our thoughts. This is a two-part case, so you do have the top, which is the screen protector built in with the frame. It also has an area for your fingerprint to be read through the film cover. The back does have like a frosted clear backing, as you can see there. It also does have a MagSafe kickstand here, so that's nice. This does not turn. However, you can still use the phone in portrait and in landscape just like that. And what I like to do also is to use this as a selfie ring when you want to take selfies, or just when you're taking videos, just to make sure you're not dropping your phone. I just like to loop my fingers through that there as well. When you close that, you want to hear the click, and that lets you know it's locked in place. A nice feature about the back is it does have that raised camera protection. As you can see there, it is raised. And it does have the charger port protection, so you're not getting any dust or any moisture in your charging port. There are bumper guards, as you can see there, on every corner. So when you put the screen protector portion into the back portion of the phone case, you're going to see that it is raised to protect your phone on all sides, which is very, very nice. This phone case is also military grade, drop tested up to 20 feet. So that's really nice as well. We love Subcase, and we would highly recommend their cases.